Hi y'all. Welcome to the Messy Studio. Well, it's time for another quick tip. They say necessity is the mother of invention. Well, I had an issue yesterday. I'm working on this oak burl bowl, and I had to put had a real punky spot in the bottom. It's not so bad on the back side, but inside, and I'm at depth, so I didn't want to turn any deeper. Just a punky bark inclusion. So I decided to saturate it with CA since I'm out of Minwax wood hardener. It probably ended up with the same result anyway, but so I've still got it in the chuck, and I've got it sitting on my workstation, and I saturate the inside of the bowl with CA. I mean, I used like half of this bottle. It was soaking it in so quickly, I thought, I sure hope that's not going all the way through, because if it is, it's going into my chuck. You ever super glued the jaws of your chuck? I did. It was too late. It was already seized up. I couldn't turn it. I couldn't turn it. I put it on the lathe, tried to turn it. Put channel locks on this wrench, couldn't turn it. But it works now. So what did I do? Let me show you. Okay, this is made by Rubbermaid. It's called a take along. I don't know if they make them anymore, but this material that this bowl is made from looks to be HDPE. Oh no, it's LDPE, I'm sorry. This is LDPE. LDPE, HDPE, low density, high density. So low density polyethylene, acetone doesn't dissolve it. So what you do, I got my acetone, I put my chuck in the bowl, upside down because that's where the jaws were, and I filled it with acetone till it came to about right here where the seam on the back plate is. And it's been sitting in there since yesterday, 2 o'clock, so it's been there about 24 hours. I came out here, and I'd come out and check it every few hours, and I'd get a little bit of a rack out of it, but not much. Well, I've known for a long time that acetone dissolves CA. So I just left it overnight. Like I said, it's been in there 24 hours, and now it works like it's brand new. So I dried all the acetone off, and it'll flash off quickly. And then I shot the gears and all the working stuff with WD-40, and I'm ready to go back to work. So that's it this time for the quick tip. Just if you seize your chuck up with CA, or if you need to get CA off anything else, find something suitable, of a suitable material to put it in, soak it in acetone for however long it takes. 24 hours is generally good enough. And I mean, this thing was locked up solid. So I hope this helps. Y'all keep turning. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Y'all come back and see us.